Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how you can remove your background noise in CapCut. And this is quite simple, but you need to know one single setting. Alright, if you can see, I have here two clips where someone is talking to a fan.
Oh, hello. I am Marina.
And I just copied both clips because then you can hear the difference when we just added this option. So from here we click on the second clip, then we go to audio, and then from there scroll down to reduce noise. Then click on that please. Now it says noise reduced, and right now if we are listening to both clips.
Oh, hello. I am Marina. Oh, hello. I am Marina.
Dude, seriously, hear this difference? This is a setting that you need to know, and this is the best way how you can remove the background noise in CapCut PC. Alright, for now, thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.